9:15 a.m. market open. Previous day after 2 o'clock a buy trend, a buy call begin. Can you see that green color candle? That is where the buy trend started and ended up breakout both the target at 3:30 a.m. Today after 1 minute of market open, sell call generated, red color candle open. Like this, whenever the market trend changes, whenever the breakout happen, immediately it will give the call like a signal in this chart. Right now you are watching this video like this daily. You need to watch this chart and you will get the call like a signal, like a green signal and red signal. Through this call you will get the entry point, target and stop loss. Through these entries you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible by connecting your broker account to this chart. Today in 1 minute 9:16 a.m. 50,240, that is where the entry point. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? Sell at 50,240. So that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than 100 point target. To be exact, 50,114. So from 242 to 114. It's more like a 125 point first target. We have converted our strategy into a formula in this chart. According to our strategy only this breakout happen. Whenever the breakout happen, you will get the call like this. Through these calls you can do the intraday trading. 50 minutes of sell call generated. It successfully break out the first target range and the next 2-3 minutes market was going in downside direction only and it strongly break out the second target range also. Weekly expiry 50,200 put option at the money option we are watching. The buy call came at 523 and market move all the way to the 700 range. Right now the market has break out both the targets. Like this you can change script and watch also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. By purchasing this chart every day you just need to watch this chart and you will get the call like a signal. Through these calls you can do your intraday trading.